Hello, saw your question on the discussion board. You want to solve this triangle. Something interesting about this one, it's a right triangle. You know, B is 90 degrees. That's the angle B. Side A is 5 and side C is 3. So I draw a right triangle here, ABC. We're given that angle B is 90. The side opposite the angle C is 3 and the side opposite angle A is 5. We want to find side B and side angle A and angle C. So, you know, you can do these in any order, but I just went ahead and found B here. Now, B is going to be the hypotenuse since it's opposite the right angle. So I know this is not the usual way of writing it, but B squared would equal A squared plus C squared, since B is the hypotenuse. We know A is 5 and C is 3, so we square and add those, we get 34. B is just going to be a square root of that, which rounded nearest 10th is 5.8. Then if we want to find, say, angle C, I use tangent. I like to use the given info. So let's see, tangent would equal opposite over adjacent, so tangent of C would equal 3/5. So C would be inverse tan of 3/5. So put that in the calculator, make sure you're in degree mode, and then round it to 31 degrees. Well, the sum of the three angles, 180, we know B's 90, C's 31, and so if we subtract those from 180, we get A's 59. Hope this helps.